Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this precious opportunity, having me and all.
It's my duty to honor everybody. Actually, whenever I have time, I certainly try to give everyone time. So, yes, very good afternoon. You are right
Very
on time. Must appreciate you that you are ready that side. And I was just waiting for your message that you get ready, and then I'll
as a
certainly call.
teacher, I'm very punctual as a teacher. Yes.
That's lovely.
Yes.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, would you like to introduce yourself? Because it's important, I feel, because I too don't know you, and probably you don't know me. You aren't visible.
Yes, yes. This is Savi Chakravarti, as you know, and I'm from Chhatarpur. Actually, my family hail from Chhatarpur. Chhatarpur, my hometown, Sumerpur, Hamirpur. Are you? I think you are known Chhatarpur
Chhatarpur, I
and
know.
Hamirpur also. You know, I think so.
I
So,
have heard.
uh,
Yes.
so
Chhatarpur, I
I
have personally visited, so I know more about Chhatarpur.
and I live in Indore because of my husband's job. He's an engineer professor and in Chameli Devi College. And if I talk about my studies, so I have completed my masters in DAVV University Indore in English literature, and I did B.Ed also from DAVV University Indore. And I am mother of a one daughter. She is in 10-year-old and she is excellent, fabulous in speaking. I am not more than C. So, because my MBS was not there, ma'am, at that time, I am a Hindi medium student. So, this is all about me. And my father and my father-in-law both are retired government teacher. So, and my husband also teacher. I am also want to be a government teacher, and I preparing these days for this UPPGT, TGT, MP grade 1, like this. So this is all about me and you, ma'am.
Awesome to know about you, and thanks for asking me to introduce myself. You must be knowing I'm Manju Mishra, and
Yes.
I am a retired teacher. I had been
Yes.
teaching formally in the school for past 32 years, and as I'm
Yes.
retired, so to make myself busy, I have started my YouTube channel where I always upload English contents. So yes, you can say I am a YouTuber too. And
Yes.
I am a mother of two children. My both children are grown up. I base in Lucknow, so I'm connecting to you from Lucknow. That's all
Okay.
about me. That's all about
Recently,
me.
you are in Lucknow, ma'am.
Yes, I am in Lucknow.
Where was your posting, ma'am?
No, no, I have my house here. I have made my house, so I'm. You can say I'm a permanent resident here.
Interesting. Okay, I heard about Lucknow because I am from there, UP, so I know about Lucknow.
Lucknow is a very good city. I too love this
Yeah.
city, and even the city you told me, Indore.
Yeah,
So I
Indore is very good city, ma'am. Weather is very fantastic here. Not warmer, not colder, and rain is perfectly. So weather is very good in Indore. I like weather from
Indore
Indore.
is, I feel it's a very lovely place, and
Yeah.
people of that place are very, very generous, very gentle, very good. And religious places, I like it so much. And the parks and the neatness of that city, it's known as clean city. Yes.
Yes.
So of course, Indore. And I had been there for nearly 4 5 days. I stayed. I had gone there to just
Okay.
visit that place. Yes, and it was. I felt it was a wonderful place, and it is a wonderful place too. So you
Yes.
must be enjoying. You must be enjoying your stay there.
Yes. I am very good in this place, and I love this place actually. I more than UP, and this place is very good.
Okay.
Yes.
So, would you like to tell for our viewers? I know something good about Indore so that people will come to know that what is really something different from the other cities, and how do you love that place and how do you enjoy?
Actually, here weather is very good, and not warmer, not colder, and sufficient rain is there. And some visited like Khajrana Ganesh Mandir is there. So, yeah, it is very famous temple. And like Lal Bagh Killa, and about Rani like Ahilyabai. Devi Ahilyabai. So she is in Rajwada, known as Rajwada, created by her. So this is and her palace was is there. And she's very great palace, I can say. And palace is good, like old palace is very famous. Rajwada is very famous, I can say. And Chor Bazaar is there, and Sarafa market. You listen, I say, I think so. So at night, whole night, Sarafa is going on. So uh, Indore people are very foodie. Like when I reached Sarafa any time, then I feel like people not find their own food and their home like this. So
Everybody on the road. Yes. And they enjoy there. Yes.
yes, here namkeen and fafda jalebi is very famous. Yes. So
And have you ever visited to Annapurna temple, which is newly made?
I visited when I lived in Rajan Nagar. So I visited 3 4 times. So, that temple is very good temple, and yes,
Beautiful, beautiful temple. I enjoyed it, and it is so peaceful, and so neat and clean that I felt like that I have come in some heavenly place, you can say. So it was wonderful. Rest all the places which you mentioned. So I had visited to those places. So I felt like sharing this place also. It's a wonderful place, and you already have visited. Somehow you forgot to mention that. All right. How old is your child? You said 10 years,
ma-
I suppose.
9 year old actually.
Nine. Okay. So she's in which class?
She is in fifth class, ma'am. CBSC board in English medium.
Okay.
Yes.
CBSE board. So she must be very fluent.
Yes, yes, ma'am. More than me, I'm not anything front of her. Actually, I'm learning, I can say. And I, because of learning, I want to connect you. I want to know you. I watched your video, and I not all the time, but some videos I watched really much inspired. I want to also connect you, but somehow I connect today. So I'm very feel good.
Okay. So I'm also enjoying connecting to you. Yes. I never think that I don't wish to connect to you people. I always want that I should give everybody at least one chance. And I think you have your channel too.
Yes, ma'am. I have my channel and created by me before 2 3 months. Uh, I created some facts, grammar facts like doodles and home plus two, where we can use something, and vocab also, because vocab is very important.
So
I
just you
created.
want to revise those things, so you revise and then you make videos and upload on your channel. So
Yes, yes.
mostly, I think you have uploaded grammar contents.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Grammar contents mostly. This is my second video with you, speaking video actually.
Conversation video. This is second one. Whom did you talk to the very first time?
Geeta Rajput, ma'am.
Wonderful lady she is. She's nice to know about you and your journey. Yes, and your
Thank
daughter is there, so you must be getting good environment to talk in English. You must be learning many things from your daughter as well, I said.
you. And I am a Hindi medium student. I don't know how to frame words. Actually, I know the rules and regulation of the grammar because I touch with this. But front of the people, I was stuck at that time. So that I want to improve.
If you really desire to have a command over this language, so you will certainly get it.
In Indore, maybe not in Hindi medium school. I think so. I never saw yet till now.
Yes.
So yes.
This is the same for most of the cities.
Yes,
Every
yes,
place you will find that medium has become now English. And yes, of course, this is a language. I feel that every corner of the world people understand, more or less
yes,
they understand. So this is very important for us also to have a command over this language, so that we can also be fluent and we can converse with anybody coming in front of us. We should not have any inferiority in our mind. Yes.
yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Any more question you have for me? Then you
Ma'am,
ask. Otherwise, I think we should wrap up the session. Yes, please go ahead if you have any question.
when you you retired, ma'am?
2 years back,
2 years back. And which place you was?
I was teaching in Lucknow.
Lucknow. Your posting is in Lucknow.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so, and you are looking so pretty, ma'am. Such,
At
such a,
this age, at this age, what we will look pretty, but yes, thank you so much for your
you
compliment. I really appreciate it.
maintaining yourself, I can say. So,
Thank you. Thank you.
okay. So
Actually,
if
we must love ourselves first. So first
yes,
you will love yourself, or I will love myself, then probably we can love anybody else. So we
this is
must
important.
love ourselves. Very important. Yes,
Firstly, we have to love ourselves. Then you provide other person and spread positivity and get positivity. This is the most important, ma'am.
definitely, definitely. You are right. Much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a
Bye bye.
wonderful day. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you, ma'am.